for the Chanel makeup favorites video because I've got my collection ready. Hands are moisturized and let's get into this video. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. It's Sean. Hopefully you'd like, subscribe, and share. Also follow me on Instagram at Seankbeauty. It's been a long time of me doing a long form style video. I've been putting up videos for my YouTube shorts, and also I've been pretty active on Instagram. I just wrapped up New York Fashion Week. Also friends, I'm not a full-time creator yet. I actually have a job. So I love YouTube shorts because it does give me the luxury of still being able to be consistent and crank out content. I've been hitting you with a little bit of fashion here and there, but on Instagram it's heavily fashion. So without further ado, let's get started with my makeup favorites from Chanel, because this is really great for not only providing education to those who are looking to dabble into the world of Chanel, but also those who want to experience and come out of drugstore makeup into luxury makeup. And Chanel is on your wish list, like what products you should start off with first, because I do want to do like a starter kit for Chanel makeup, and I feel like that is going to help you as well. So you find all of that here in this video. The first product of choice is my Rouge Coco Balm. The Rouge Coco Balm, I got this with a gift bag. It came with the hand cream, and I won't lie to you all, this is one of my favorites. It is white in color, but when it goes on clear, and it has a shine to it. And because I'm a matte lipstick wearer, I love to wear balms before I put on my makeup, because I prep my lips, or it is preparation before I put on a matte lipstick. And I do a lip scrub, I put on my lip balm, put on my makeup, and then I put on my lipstick last. Now, colors that are my favorite in the Chanel line, we have Endless, Eternal, Chestnut. That's the three I'm going to tell you is the absolute bomb to start off with. Lip liner, this is not a lip liner, it is actually an eyeliner. It is called in French, Ciché. It's $9.59. What I really love about this is that it's creamy, it lasts long, it's complementary to a lot of my other lipsticks, as well as these three, and a red. And the red that Chanel doesn't make it anymore, so it doesn't make sense me even talking to you about it. But Chanel does have a lot of reds that, you know, get some swatches or some samples of them and swatch them and see how much you love them. But Chanel gives you premium products. It is a luxurious experience, and you're going to enjoy every product that you use, mostly from Chanel. And I will say mostly, because in some products that I'm like, it's good, but, and you all know what I'm talking about. It was the bronzer. It was not dark enough for me. I loved it. I love the formula of it, but because it wasn't dark enough for me, I couldn't keep it. I just could not keep it. But a lot of you love it, but it just blended right in with my skin, and it just didn't look like I had anything on. So that's why I said mostly. All right, friends, I have showed these two together forever, and this is the Le Volume mascara from Chanel, and this is the base. Let's say you're looking to lengthen your lashes and it doesn't seem like, oh my gosh, my mascara that I'm using isn't working. These two together, I promise you, put this on first, let it dry down a little bit. We'll let it dry down, I would say, and then put this on. The Le Volume gives you stretch, it gives you volume, it separates, it's not clumping, and it's waterproof. It's going to last, and you won't have to worry about it moving around on you, becoming messy. I really adore and love Chanel's mascara. Now, if you're not one that wants to do the base and you still want results with lash length, you can still use the Le Volume. It's still going to give you that length. But I just find like creating a base and then going in with the mascara is going to give you a different type of effect that you're going to be like, wow, I didn't think I would have need the base, but it makes a world of difference. Now, there are some moments when I wear the mascara by itself, especially when I'm in a rush. Y'all, I'm trying to get better. My dearest friends will tell you, this girl is always rushing, trying to get somewhere. I try to even give myself 2 hours to get ready before leaving out, and it is still a push for me for some reason. I like to take time to get myself in a rhythm, especially if it's a morning thing. I love to do my devotions and I want to work out and I want to drink my lemon water and sit and put out positive affirmations and then go into my makeup. And makeup takes a while for me because I'm trying to sculpt and do all these different things, and I'm really enjoying experimenting with different techniques when it comes to makeup now. So, you know, there's moments where my look would be a Scott Barnes look, or it'll be what I call a Seankbeauty look, which is not doing a lot of sculpting, but doing a ton of bronzing. Some makeup by Mario methods, makeup by Spencer, if you all know him. I'm enjoying the way they're putting on makeup. I even look on Pinterest now and I'm finding looks that really inspire me. Like I did this look from Rihanna and went to a luncheon and got a lot of compliments. And if you watch that video, that's the look that I actually recreated. So I would say definitely check out that video. Okay, favorite complexion product. I've showed this a ton. It is the Ultra Lutein. This one is BD 121. I also wear BD 131. This is going to stay in place. It gives you coverage. It disguises your imperfections. It's comfortable. What else can I say about this? It's sweat proof. It just is a really great formula, and I've got to buy another one, and I hate that I have to buy another one, but I really do have to buy another one because this one is almost done. I love to wear this. I do about 5 pumps and that's all I need. The next product is the Foundation Plus Powder, BR 152. This is a Foundation Plus Powder. This gives you full coverage, and for days when you don't want to wear foundation, this is going to be a really great product. But I find myself gravitating to this a ton, and I love it because it's refillable. I can go to Macy's, get the refill, and just pop it in here, and I'm good to go. All right, you will also love, that reminds me of those advertisements, but the Rouge Profond, this is 320 in the Jouer Contraste from Chanel. This is a blush. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hands so you all can see how beautiful this, oh, look at that. It is such a good shade. And I know some time ago Chanel changed the formula, but I still love it. I have the original, and I also have the formula that they had redone. I still do love the original, but this is the new formula I swatched for you all. Sometimes, I won't lie, Chanel's powder products can be a little bit powdery, so that's just my truth sometimes. But if you go after this color, it's beautiful. It blends into the skin beautifully. You won't be disappointed with the Rouge Profond. Before we move on, I want to show you this product. This is the Quatre Ombre. This one is $268, I think. The numbers are now coming off because I've had this for a minute. It is the Candeur et Expérience. It has not expired yet, but you know, I like to look at when my makeup is going to expire. But it hasn't been 2 years yet. This is absolutely beautiful. This is a repurchase. The first one I went through like crazy. What I love about these colors is that they are great everyday colors for deeper skin tones. These browns show up on our skin tone. Going to swatch them for you all if you would like. I'm just going into this deep brown shade right now so you can see. That is what I mean. It does not disappoint. The red shade, I'm going to go right on top so you all can see that. Then we're going to go into this lighter brown shade at the top. swatch that for you. Ooh, so good. And then we're gonna go into this shade right here. Let's see if I'm running out of fingers here. So as you can see, they all show up on a deeper skin tone. I really love this. Will not disappoint you. And I also wanted to show you all just one other product from Chanel for the eyes. This is the Stilo Ombre Contour. This is the, what number is this? Number 38. Number 38, lucky number 38. So this, you can use this multiple ways. You can use this on the eyes, you can use this on the lips. I did a long time ago video using this multiple ways as an eyeliner, as a lid color on the lips. And this is really to help you on those days when you are rushing out the house and you just don't have time to do a whole entire look with a palette, etc. And you just need one product. Drop this in your purse, go to work, pull this out, make that look happen in the bathroom, and you are good. I want to show you all this particular color. It reminds me of the color of my chestnut. Hopefully you all can see it. That is it swatched. Such a beautiful shade. Absolutely adore and love this. And I'm almost done with it. Again, my life is constantly on the go. So having products like this when I'm at the airport at 6 a.m., I still want to be glam. I just have foundation on and brows are done and lashes are on. I grab this out because then I can do my lips, I can do my eyes, I can do my liner, and I'm good to go. Another product that I love, and I'm just gonna show you one of them, but this in the black, I'm in love with. This one is the liquid liner. It's a blue shade. I have showed this before. So this is the top of the product, and this is the bottom, and it is this beautiful blue shade. Oh, I'm in love with this. Look at that blue. Gorgeous. And this is what I mean when you buy from Chanel, it brings excitement. Their products are just absolutely lovely. Okay, a favorite highlighter, because we all are into highlighting again, is the Pearl de Lumière. I have showed this a lot. It is a beautiful shade. And we're just gonna swatch this so you all can see. It's almost done. Pains me. But that is what that looks like, if you can see it. When I put this on, I want this everywhere. I don't want to just do the high points of my cheekbones, on my nose. I want this everywhere. I want this on my forehead. I just try to get it everywhere, just lightly dust. I also love this in the clavicle area as well, especially when I'm wearing off the shoulders. So your starter kit would be, I would say, a lipstick, mascara, a blush. So if you're really into pinks, this Pink Explosion is an excellent one. So that's this one here. If you're a Barbie girl, you'd love this one. This is the Pink Explosion swatched. Now, if you want to go a little bit further, I would go after a highlighter and a powder, like a face powder. So another product I wanted to show you all, and this is a bonus product, okay? It is the Démaquillant EU Intense. I really love this because it gets rid of stubborn eye makeup. Really cool blue color, and you just want to shake it up before use. I also buy the cotton rounds from Target or, you know, any like drugstore, like your CVS, and I would just take it off. Or you can get the cotton pads from Chanel if you want to be all the way Chanel. But this is a really great product. You will not be disappointed with this. This will take off the most stubborn makeup. So this wraps up the video. Leave your comments, questions, everything or anything you want to ask me down below, and I look forward to corresponding with you in my next video when I talk about my favorite products from Gucci.